Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to make a sticker on Discord. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to make sure that your Discord app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Discord app. Once you're done, simply open Discord and then go to the server that you want. And then click on the three lines found on the upper left corner. Click on the three dots on the upper right corner, click on Settings, and then look for Emoji under Settings. Click on Emoji, and then click on Upload Emoji right here. And then right here, what you're going to do is that you should upload an emoji. So I recommend you should upload an emoji that is on PNG or that has transparent background. So if you don't have a transparent background image, I suggest you should use the PixArt app, which can be found on both Android and iOS. So simply download a picture from Google or from your camera roll and then place it on PixArt. And then as you can see, I have my PixArt right here. So PixArt is totally free. So now what you're going to do here is to remove the background of this picture. So click on remove background and then simply wait for it to load. As you can see, the background now has been removed and simply download the photo that you already have. So once you have downloaded it, you may now go back to Discord and then as I search for that image, so let's say for example that this image is already in a PNG format, just simply click on choose found on the lower right corner and then wait for it to upload. And as you can see now, I have uploaded an emoji. So you may now go back to your server and then go to emojis or stickers, and then you may see that I have created a custom emoji or sticker. So that's it. That's how you can make a sticker on Discord. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.